And the beautiful thing is that seller financing solves all of these problems for them. Okay, it perfectly meets what they're looking for. Sellers, this is the beautiful part. So if you miss the whole rest of the presentation, focus on this part. This is good stuff. Okay. Sellers have problems too. So we're out there trying to find deals and we think we have all the problems to overcome. Sellers have a whole bunch of problems too. All right. So one is that a lot of sellers that we're going to work with, they're set on a high price. And maybe they're not able to get that high price that they have kind of just in their mind. They should be able to get $200,000 for this house, right? They may have listed it with a realtor, and the realtor may has even told them they won't get it, but they're set on that high price. A lot of people don't want to sell. This is especially true for retiring landlords because of the taxes that they're going to have to pay when they sell. So, for somebody, a retiring landlord who's been receiving monthly cash flow from this asset, and then when they sell, they're going to lose the cash flow and pay a bunch of taxes, that's not very enticing. Retiring landlords have been living off that cash flow, so they don't want to lose the cash flow. They kind of wonder how their finances are going to work when they suddenly don't have cash flow. And a lot of sellers have no idea what they would do with that money should they receive it, right? I was on the phone. I think that was today. It's been really busy today. I think it was earlier today. I was driving, talking to a seller, and I said, okay, 7% interest. What return would you get on that money if you put it into another investment? Do you have another investment you're looking to put it into? And they said, I have not thought far enough ahead to know where I would put it. Okay. So they don't know what they would do with that money, even if they received, let's say, the $200,000 for that house. And obviously, with inflation, that is a problem. And they may have no money for repairs. And a lot of times they think they need to fix up the house to sell it. If they're going to list it on the MLS with a realtor and they want it to qualify for bank financing or look good to a new home buyer, a lot of times they would need to make repairs, but they don't have the money or they don't know how to hire somebody to do it. So in their minds, when we go out and we talk to a seller, they have all of these things sitting in their minds, right? All of these struggles. And the beautiful thing is that seller financing solves all of these problems for them. Okay, it perfectly meets what they're looking for. And it could be they don't have time to sell. We've bought plenty of properties where they inherited it and they just don't have time to deal with the house, right? It's a headache to them.